Can I ask you something?
Yeah, of course.
Do girls not have balls?
Girls do not have balls, no.
So when a girl goes to scratch her balls, how does that work? I just don't understand.
I can deal with vampires, I can deal with werewolves and all sorts of other things, but clowns? Why's it gotta be clowns?
Are clowns anyone's thing? Like, no one likes clowns.
I find clowns delightful.
The thinnest layer of the earth called?
The foreskin.
The thinnest layer of the earth?
Correct.
Oh, thank you. I got a point.
Sorry?
No, wait, what?
You didn't answer.
No, you were just clarifying.
Back to the computer. Oh my gosh, I'm such a nerd. Let's see if I got any new comments. Aw, man.
Wojtek, co? Zrobisz kanapkę? No zrobię, kurwa, daj mi, kurwa, pierwsze coś zjeść może, to? Dobra.
You're an awful person. Maybe.